Most of our fear is imagining what would happen. What could happen to me? Making pictures of the worst case scenario, of the disaster that was going to happen to me. They fire off a biochemistry inside our bodies, which heightens and creates an adrenal anxiety response, which then floods your body with biochemicals that are damaging to you. And so if you find yourself that these pictures are just coming and coming, and the thoughts are just coming and coming, just stop. Breathe. Bring all of your attention just to this moment. Bring all of your awareness right to this millisecond. No thought of past, no thought of future. Just bring all of your focus and riveted in the now. So how can we, as a journey community, make the most of these most difficult times? Share this with your friends. Everyone needs to come home during this tumultuous time. Namaste.